In this video, we will show you how to make this slide in PowerPoint. Go to Insert, click on Picture. I have downloaded a picture from Google, select it and insert it. Go to Insert, click on Shape, select Rectangle, drag it like this. Press Ctrl Shift, drag to the downside. Go to Insert, click on Text box, write Tiger here. Select and change the font. Make it bold. Increase the size. Center your content. Go to Format, Align Center and Align Middle. Duplicate the text box. Align Center and Align Middle. I am not able to select Rectangle here, so open Selection pane and first select Rectangle and select this text box. Go to Merge Shape, select Subtract and select this rectangle and this text box. Go to Merge Shape, select Subtract. Select both. Select Color from Shape field. Go to Shape Outline, select Color. Duplicate the slide. Zoom out the slide. Set it like this. Select Picture and press Ctrl Shift and drag it like this. Go to Transition, select Morph. Increase duration also and click on Slideshow. So, see friends, our slide looks beautiful. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Thank you.